Hello guys.
Welcome to my channel. Hello friend, as you know, I'm graphic designer. I always bring you new ideas. Today I bring you a new design. I am sure you will love this design. Now open your Adobe Photoshop. Now you have to watch tutorial carefully.
I will explain you step by step.
Let's start now.
Open adjustment layer and click solid color. Select black color and click OK. Select picture layer. Hold Ctrl+J to make a copy. Grab the copy layer and move it up. Select rectangular marquee tool. Now select a small part of the image like me. Right-click and select layer via cut. Open layers and hide part. Select copy layer and select small part of image. Right-click and select layer via cut. Hide part and select copy layer.
Now make separate parts of this picture and hide them.
Now open up all layers. Select all layers and press. Hold Ctrl+G to make a file. Select crop tool. Now lengthen the left and right sides of the picture.
Now separate each section in sequence, like me.
Close file.
Select file and press hold Ctrl+J to make a copy. Right-click and select.
Convert to smart object.
Open filter, click blur and select Gaussian blur. Radius 6%. Press Command Ctrl+T.
Now click on the keyboard arrows and move it to the left side.
Select copy layer. Open layer styles and select blending options. Click drop shadow and copy settings.
Blend mode multiplier opacity 100%, angel 49%, distance for percent, spread 0%, and size 8%. Complete design.
To see more such tutorials, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon.
Thanks for watching.